Hey guys, this is Barry Mathis and we're walking you through one of our projects. This is one of our most recent ones to come out of ground. This one was a long time in making. We bought this property quite some time ago and it was in much different shape. As you can see from this picture, wow, quite a bit different than what you see here already. So let me walk you through the steps on this project. One of the best things we did was bring in a dumpster and clear this property out. The second best thing we did was take down the little fence that was only a foot high and build a new fence. By the way, this is one of the things you should do early in the project. Normally I wouldn't do work on fences and landscaping until the end of the project because you're going to damage whatever it is you do. But in this case, building a fence was imperative to securing the property. All right, guys, here we are inside our property, and as you can see behind me, this home has been dramatically changed. Didn't do a whole lot of work to it. We went in and painted it. That was done on the outside. And then the roof was in good enough shape for us to proceed. And if you had noticed before, there actually were, in the other pictures you can see, the dual pane windows were already there. So that was a good find, saved us some money because some of those things were already done. Hey, let's go take a look. We did a ton of work on the inside and we want to take a look at that. As you join me inside, I wanted to point out one thing. See this light fixture here on the right-hand side? It's a nice modern fixture. By the way, my investor that worked on this property, he buys those by the hundreds. So that he's got them, they go on all of his houses. So that's what you'll do a lot of times to save money is you'll buy your fixtures and then use them on multiple different houses. Saves you a lot of trouble. You get real familiar and you can get a cheaper price on your fixtures when you buy them in bulk. All right, first thing we did as we got into this house is we found that the old house had an entrance into a bedroom here. Now that would have been fine, except the bedroom also had another entrance in a kitchen. Whenever you have a small house, and this house is only 835 square feet, whenever you have a small house, you never want to have two entrances into a room. It really eats up so much floor space. So what we did here is we closed off this entrance and turned it into a very usable and very needed hall closet as you first come in, like a foyer closet, coat closet, so to speak. All right, coming back through here, we kept the same basic layout of the house. We added vinyl plank flooring throughout. This is a very durable product. It's used a lot. These are modern stylish colors that are being used right now. This flooring is used in all throughout the whole house. We didn't break it up with carpet anywhere. That made a big difference, kept our costs down. And again, we buy this in bulk and throw it in a warehouse. All right, so in this room, we had a mismatch of shelving and closets. And so what we did here is we kept this door to the outside. This is an exterior door that goes out to a detached garage. Of course, we replaced the door with a new door. All the doors in the houses have been replaced. That's something you're going to need to do on every house. And then when we got this room, we have a full-size washer and dryer hookup here inside. And we also replaced and have a brand new hot water heater ready to go. All right, here in the kitchen, we really opened up what was a really tight space. They had walls in the way. We took those walls down. They were little walls, and we were able to open up and even find some extra space to add in some shelves. Whenever you have a small house, you want to get that pantry shelf opened up as much as possible. Then by going with these low flush countertops, it gave us more room going across here. So this is what I call a 3-butt kitchen. So when you have a butt like this, you go 1 butt, 2 butts, 3 butts. Yes, that is a tool of measurement. It will vary from person to person, a 3-butt kitchen. And you never want a 2-butt kitchen. 2-butt kitchens are bad. All right, so these are simple shaker cabinets. We use these in a lot of our properties. And quartz countertops. Again, this is the same quartz, the same cabinets that we use in other properties. This Frigidaire appliance package, stainless steel, but it doesn't have the cost associated with much more expensive. These are probably the same price that you would pay for a starter package of another brand name. All right, so here we are in the first bedroom. Now this is the bedroom that they had 2 entrances in. And so one entrance was here to our left. And as you can see, that really opens up the size of the room by closing that door off. Yeah, we still have a good sized closet here as well. All right, so off to our left, we have another bedroom. Pretty good size. We didn't really do anything to it. It has a closet, and that's all you want for a bedroom. Here to our right, we did go a little bit fun in here. We went floor to ceiling with a custom tile job. This is a little more higher end than you would normally see. These materials we had from another job. And so we were able to use higher end materials. It does make a big difference when you take the time to go ahead and do those floor to ceiling tile jobs. At this price range, most people are using inserts. I would encourage you not to use an insert, but to go ahead and make it look nice. This is going to be the selling point of the home, is a much nicer bathroom. Went with a very small vanity. This is a typical vanity, low end, but doesn't take up a lot of space. And it gives us a really functional bathroom, which is important for a house this small. All right, guys, it's been fun walking you through this project. I hope you picked up one little tip that might be able to help you. If you'd like to have more tips like this on other projects, just subscribe below and we'll get you more videos as they come out. One of the videos we're going to be releasing shortly will talk about the finances of this particular project, why it was better to hold it long term than it was to flip it quickly. Check that out when it comes out. You'll get notified, and that'd be great to share that information with you. My name's Barry Mathis. I would love to take a look at any projects you're doing. Maybe I can throw some advice out your way. My number is 916-225-7777, or just click it below and you can direct message me. Have a great day.